The Cloudy Bay 6-pack smart recessed lights offer full color and white tuning through Wi-Fi, so you can shift easily from warm to cool tones as well as millions of colors for different moods. They integrate smoothly with Alexa and Google Home, letting you adjust brightness, color temperature, and color hands-free without needing a separate hub. The companion application makes it straightforward to group multiple fixtures, create scenes, and control the lights remotely when you are away from home. A built-in music sync mode and several preset lighting scenes add a fun, dynamic element for parties, home theaters, or gaming setups. Each 15-watt fixture is designed to replace a traditional 100-watt incandescent can light, delivering strong brightness with much lower energy use. With a high color rendering index and a rating suitable for wet locations, these downlights provide accurate color and reliable performance in spaces like bathrooms and covered outdoor areas.